Welcome back, guys. Harry here, known as Trade Shop. Today, a little bit of an interesting video. It seems like we have had a pump, but it is at the bottom of our range, so it is expected. And if we do close this 4 hour above this area here, we could easily see price pop up here to 57,000. But this, I think, has a big influence with Elon Musk and all of this hype going on there. I do think that we are seeing a push in price here, and that is, part to contribute. Maybe Elon Musk is back to save the day again, but last time that pump happened, we all know what happened. It dumped straight after. But to be honest, I'm still not bullish on the chart till we close a 4 hour above 57 800, let's just say, all right? And if we don't close a 4 hour above there, technically I have to be bullish above this area, but I'll go as far as to say, like, looking at the bullish sentiment from the momentum of this move that maybe 57 8 will do it, right? And that's the bias for Bitcoin. At the same time, we're still, if we do get rejected at this level here, we are making lower highs. The 1 hour has flipped structure now officially, so that should see price easily pop up here to 57,151. And we'll just see if this pivot here up at 58,000 does actually get closed above. But obviously it's from range to range. We closed back on the 4 hour in the bottom of the range. Looking at all momentum, is going to be up at the moment. 1 hour is getting up there, so I could expect it here to, it's basically touch the target, to be honest. So it could be start to cross down, and we'll see how this 4 hour closes, right? And that's all I'm waiting for. If we do get a 4 hour close continuation, and then we close a 4 hour candle bearish, and then we take out the wick of that 4 hour candle. So if we get a 4 hour candle closure like that, and then it continues up from here, 2 4 hour candles, let's say, and then we get a bearish 4 hour taking out the last 4 hour candle low, then the new 4 hour candle makes a top wick, comes down, and breaks the wick of this like this, then I could see price continuing down. Hope you like my candle drawings, and continuing down, to be honest, and that's what I'm looking for. But we'll see what the market sentiment is, and if this push does, keep going, right? Or is it just a short-term pump? But the alt of today is BNB, so we'll have a look at BNB. BNB, accumulating at a lower level, putting in some lower highs, which is looking good. We could start to move our support line now. You could see our resistance line has been, actually we keep that in, to be honest, because this has been great resistance. We can see twice, and essentially it's putting in somewhat of an ascending triangle like so. So we can look for a breakout for this, and if we do close above 272, then we could see moves, projected moves probably will fill this range that I have, right? And let's just see. And I'm guessing it will, right? So projected moves exactly filling my range, and it's just price action. That's why I trade in ranges. So if we do close, we'll come up and fill this range. And then, if we start closing above, I do see momentum will be turning up now from a very low level. So it's looking good. I do believe there will be bullish divergence coming here at the lows. It does look like momentum. So even if you were to bring up an RSI, there would be bullish. Same thing on the 1 hour. So yeah, keep your eyes. 1 hour Stokes is up, so we could come down, test one more time, and then continue up. But to be honest, not bearish on the chart. Daily is looking good to me. Some price predictions. We could do some price predictions on a daily time frame, and obviously all-time high is the first target, but after that is 393, and after that is 461, and 460, 461 would be if we do close the daily closure and strong, right? uh, so yeah, hopefully we can see these alts start to recover now after having a bit of a short term. But BNB token has held pretty well, even though that Bitcoin dump, right? We could see it didn't have a massive dump; it would have been around here, and it's recovering quite nicely on the 4 hour, forming a higher low structure. And I do look for that, to probably at least pop up here. But 1 hour stocks do keep your eyes on, so it could come back down as long as this structure holds, to the downside. If the structure breaks, then I look for price probably to come back down somewhere around here. But with that being said, short video today. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.